Hey guys, Temishke here, obviously. So in front of me, I have a box full of my Amazon Prime Day goods. These are the things that I managed to get on the Amazon Prime Day sales. And obviously, I shipped this guy to me using MyUS. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys some of the things that are actually inside the box, or some of the things that I managed to buy, since I actually didn't show you guys everything that I checked out on the previous video where we are acquiring the stuff. Now I'm gonna move it to the side so you guys don't really see what's going on from the top camera. Or maybe as usual, let's just check it here on the side, much better. So now the table is free for me to show you guys the things that I have here. So first one, we have this Satechi USB-C to USB-C cable. This is a short cable which can allow me to use while I'm charging my devices, like my phone, for example, on a power bank. So the cable really doesn't have to be that long. So let's open this guy and see exactly how long this cable is. Okay, it's really short. This guy supports up to 100 watts, which is pretty good. My iPhone, I think, goes up to 25 watts, if I'm not mistaken. And this is a braided cable. Really tough cable that should actually last me for a very long time. I actually like how durable this cable feels. Next, we have an XLR cable. I think you guys saw me putting these things on my cart. I actually had two of this white and an orange. Unfortunately, I only bought one. Most probably gonna buy the other one when I buy a proper mic, because right now I have this one here only, and for maybe a podcast you're going to be needing two mics. Although I have one boom mic there at the back, I don't know if that's really what they call them, and I'm gonna be able to use both mics, including that boom mic there, maybe if I don't end up buying the second Shure mic. Now this cable is really good quality. I like how the edges actually have this little metal here to protect the cable when the cable is bending, which is something that cable doesn't have. Long enough, not as long as the one that I have, but this should actually do the trick. I think this thing was $10 or so. This guy here was, if I'm not mistaken, between $509 US. Okay, so we have here this Aqara device. This is a switch. I have a similar switch in my kitchen. I got two more here on the box. Let me just take them all out. Two more on the box. So we have three of them. Two double, one single. Just make sure when you guys buy these things, you buy the one with no neutral, double rocker, no neutral, single rocker. So all of them have a no neutral, because my house, or most of the houses even in South Africa, they don't use a neutral connector unless yours does. So make sure then you buy the one that supports a neutral cable. These guys here are gonna be left for my other video. And then I have this guy here. This is the Anker power bank that we got. We ended up getting the 12 milliamp one. There was a 20 milliamp for $100. This was, I think, $50. There was a 20 milliamp for $100 and a $179 for the 27,000 milliamp. This should be good enough just to try it out. If I really like this guy here, then I might just go and grab the one that's 27 milliamp, because that should be much more powerful than this one. This is a 65 watt input power bank, so it should charge pretty fast. And in terms of output, should be able to output 130 watts total. It comes with two USB-C connector there on top, but we're going to talk more about this guy also maybe on a future video. This here is the Satechi. Actually, I have two Satechi devices, didn't even realize. Satechi stand and hub for Mac Mini Studio. True story, the first time I bought this guy, this is the second time I buy it. The first time I bought this guy here, I bought it using Aramex. Actually, I bought it on Amazon and shipped it using Aqara Max, and my package ended up getting lost. I was refunded. I actually have a full video on how Aqara Max lost my package, but finally I got it here this time. I shipped my stuff this time using DHL. Normally use DHL or FedEx. They are some of my trusted shipping company. Those are the options that you will get inside MyUS when you are about to request them to send your stuff that's been gathered by them. This is also something that there is a little SSD that I still need to buy. One of the main reasons I got this thing is to extend the storage of my Mac Mini. This guy would work both on Mac Mini as well as the Mac Studio, which is a device that I'll buy in future. Next, let's check out this. This here is, I don't know why they have to open to make sure what's inside for. Okay, this here is an AirPods Max case, which is quite big. This is bigger than what I thought it was going to be. Okay, so inside, at least now my AirPods Max are going to be protected. Oh wow, it comes with these rubber protector for the ear cups. Okay, ear cups, yeah, ear cups, if that's what they call them. And then you have this thing here. I think this is a magnet that will allow the AirPods Max to go to sleep once they are inside, because unless you have these magnets here, the AirPods Max will only go to sleep, I think, after 30 minutes, if I'm not mistaken. We have the AirPods Max here with my really dirty case. This one goes right there. Let's also try these things here to protect these areas here. I actually didn't know this thing was gonna be included on the package, but it's a good order. Or maybe I just forgot. All right, that's it. That's how they look. And then put them there. I don't know what this is for. Maybe this is for cable. And close them. And I can just chuck this thing in my gym bag, and once it's inside my gym bag, it will still be protected. Okay, let's do one more, but this one here is not a package. Actually, only gonna have one left. This package here wasn't from Amazon. This one was from eBay, although I also sent the package from eBay to MyUS, and then obviously shipped everything to me. This is something from my car. I am going to be upgrading my radio unit. My car is a 2014 model. So back then, I think those cars were not coming. No, I think those cars were definitely not coming with CarPlay, which is one of the reasons that I actually bought this thing. So much cables. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to install this thing by myself, but as I mentioned, the main reason I got this is because it comes with CarPlay and also Android Auto. I think that's what the Android version of it is called. And yeah, so I can easily navigate and easily use Apple Music while I'm driving. This is an Android car unit specifically for VW models. I have a 2014 VW, as I mentioned. Main reason for CarPlay, it's touchscreen, Android 13, it's a 64 gig and a 4 gig RAM device. Unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to install it directly. I still have to buy sort of a trim plate for this to fit in my car. All right, so this is going to be it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment. If there's anything else you want to see, also suggest down in the comments. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, click the notification bells button to get notified whenever I upload a brand new video, and I'm going to catch you guys on my next one. Peace.